Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into one of the hottest topics of 2024 Ethereum ETFs and their game-changing impact on the market. Buckle up because this ride's going to be wild! First up, the big news. On July 23, 2024, the SEC approved not one, not two, but 9 spot Ethereum ETFs. That's right, folks. Heavy hitters like VanEck, Grayscale, Bitwise, iShares, Invesco, Fidelity, 21 Shares, and Franklin Templeton all got the green light. These ETFs hit major US exchanges like NASDAQ, NYSE, and CBOE with tickers like SETH, ETHW, and FETH. It's a crypto investor's dream come true. Now let's talk numbers. On their very first day, these ETFs saw inflows of $106.8 million. Leading the pack, iShares Ethereum Trust ETF ATHA and Bitwise Ethereum ETF ETAW netted a whopping $266.5 million and $204 million respectively. That's impressive, especially when you consider that total trading volumes hit $1.12 billion, about 17% of what Bitcoin ETFs did at launch. So what's the forecast? Analysts predict these Ethereum ETFs could attract up to $15 billion in net inflows by the end of 2025. Bloomberg Intelligence expects Ethereum ETFs to capture 20% to 25% of the inflows that Bitcoin ETFs saw in their early days. That's huge and signals increased institutional adoption, and when the big players get in, you know the price action follows. Speaking of prices, some analysts are bullish. Real bullish. Predictions range from Ether hitting $5,000 to an eye-popping $8,000 by the end of 2024. VanEck even has a long-term target of $22,000 by 2030. While it hasn't hit its all-time high from November 2021, Ether appreciated over 29% in 2024, reaching $4,093.70 in March. Compare that with Bitcoin's record high of $73,803.25, also in March 2024, thanks to spot Bitcoin ETFs. Now let's talk supply and staking. Around 30% of Ether is staked and another 10% is locked in smart contracts. This constrains the supply, potentially amplifying the price impact of these ETF inflows. Over 33.3 million ETH was staked, near all-time highs around the ETF launch, but heads up, the SEC has banned funds from allowing ETH staking, so no staking for ETF investors just yet. And finally, the fees. Base fees for Ethereum ETFs range from 0.15% to 0.25%, with some issuers waiving fees initially. Interesting twist. Grayscale's Ethereum Trust saw larger than expected outflows after the ETF launch. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust faced over $17 billion of outflows since BTC ETFs launched. Clearly, competition is heating up. In summary, the SEC approval of Ethereum ETFs is a monumental milestone. Despite regulatory scrutiny and complexities, this move could pave the way for ETFs based on other cryptos like Solana. 2024 is shaping up to be a transformative year for Ethereum and the crypto market at large. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more crypto updates. Until next time, keep hodling and stay curious.